Good afternoon, everybody. This is Lisa Lovestone, Reiki Master and Practitioner. I lead guided meditations and I do oracle card readings and I ask questions of my spirit guides. But today I just wanted to take a minute to say Happy Easter or Happy Ishtar or just happy day, whatever it is that you're doing today. I'm outside. I was just hugging this beautiful tree. See? This beautiful tree. And oh God, I hate it when those things fall on me. So I don't know if it's a bug or if it's a... Sorry about that. Anyway. So it sprinkled a little bit this morning. And typically here in Augusta, Georgia, when we have the Masters Golf Tournament, it has a tendency to rain somewhat. We desperately need rain here in Augusta, Georgia, because we've been going through a drought. Anyway, wow, you can see my gray hair really well in the sunshine. Well, it's not sunshine, but I'm outside. Anyway, so I'm out here just talking to the trees and hugging the trees. I'm outside with dogs. We're just getting some fresh air. And I'm just kind of taking a minute to just be in nature and hug trees and talk to them and just be grateful for life of this planet. It's really good to just take a few minutes and be in nature and to... What are you doing? Did you... Look at this beautiful little doggy. Look at her. Hi. And she's so cute. Becca. Yeah, I'm not sure what she's doing. Waiting for me, I guess. Anyway, so I was trying to say it's good to just... Like for me, a lot of times I just like to go outside and touch the trees and let my bare feet touch the grass and just let nature kind of rejuvenate me. A lot of times people use holidays as a way to exhaust themselves when they're already exhausted. And I really just try to, I'm getting sprinkled on. I really just try to do the opposite and just be grateful and thankful for the day. So, as you can see, I'm standing in the grass, walking around, telling the universe that I am grateful for this day. So grateful for this day. I'm grateful for the trees. I'm grateful for the grass. I'm grateful for the rain. It's a soft, sprinkly rain. See, there's the sky. Just a soft, quiet sprinkle. That's the kind that I love. I'm grateful that my son had a beautiful wedding. I'm grateful that I'm working and earning money. I'm taking care of these two little doggies while their daddies are at the Masters Golf Tournament. They work there. They do all the designs with the plants. Anyway, yeah. So they've created this beautiful garden in their yard, and I like to just walk through it. Pretty flowers here. Yeah. This is an interesting little birdhouse. No little birds live in it. Let's see if I can. There. I think you can see it now. There. Nope, no birds are really living in it, but it's cute. Hey, little boy. This is the other doggy. He's sniffing something on the leaves of that little bush. Anyway, so this is what I'm doing. I'm just enjoying the quiet and the peace and hugging trees and examining all the beautiful new life that's coming about. And yeah, all these pretty flowers. So I guess, yeah, in a roundabout way, I'm just trying to say I hope you have a beautiful weekend. I hope you have a beautiful day. I hope that life is good to you. And I just want to remind you of what a reset emotionally you get when you give gratitude and you're thankful for whatever. Thankful for your life, thankful that you have a roof over your head, thankful that the trees are giving us oxygen, thankful that you can put your bare feet in the grass and it feels so nice, feels wonderful. Thankful for the flowers, thankful for the rain or thankful for the sunshine, thankful for the trees. Anyway, I'm just going to continue with my thankful day, and this is my peaceful day. As the monks say, today will be my peaceful day, and it truly is my peaceful day. I'm going to go walk the dogs now. I guess they want to go for a walk. Be blessed. Happiness is a choice. And remain peaceful, stay away from drama. And there's a lot of drama on the TV, so maybe just stay away from the TV. Blessings, blessings, blessings. This is Lisa Lovestone. I love you, the trees love you, and nature loves you. Signing out.